In order to convert between radians and degree measures, there's a very easy way to do that if you can convert using the 15-degree radian. We know that the formula for the circumference for the circle is 2 pi r, where r is equal to 1. So it basically goes up to 2 pi. And then we know that there's 12 30-degree radians in the whole unit circle. So there's 3, 1, 2, 3 in one coordinate, and there's 4 coordinates. So that goes up to 12 30-degree radians in the unit circle. And we know there's 2 15-degree radians and 1 30 degrees, because 15 times 2 is 30 degrees. So we know that there's a total of 24 15-degree radians in the entire unit circle. So what this means is that we can simplify this equation to pi over 12 to find out how many 15-degree radians, to find the circumference of the 15-degree radians in the unit circle. So each 15-degree radian is pi over 12, and pi over 12 can make up any set of angles and radians in this unit circle, because that's the least common multiple for all the angle measures, 15. And we can use that to convert between any radian and any angle. So for example, we have an angle measure 2 pi over 3. So we can set it equal to this proportion. 2 pi over 3 is equal to x amounts of pi over 12 radians. So we can simplify this by crossing out the pi's, since they're both equal to each other, and then we can cross multiply and solve for x. So it's 24 equals 3x, x equals 8. So we know that there's 8 15-degree radians in 2 pi over 3, and we can use that to calculate the angle measure of those 8 radians. So we know that 2 pi over 3 is what we're looking for in order to convert that, and we know that 8 pi over 12 simplifies to 2 pi over 3. So we know that there's 8 15-degree radians, so we can just multiply 8 by 15, and that gives us 120 degrees, which is what 2 pi over 3 is equal to. So in order to convert from degrees to radians, you would do the same steps but in the opposite order. So we have 120 degrees, and we want to convert it to radians. So to do that, we have to find out how many pi over 12 radians there are. We know that to do that, you divide it by 15, because each radian is equal to 15 angle measures, and that gives us 8, and you multiply 8 by pi over 12, so we get 8 pi over 12, and then you just simplify that and you get 2 pi over 3. And that's how you convert between angles and radians.